Itong alay kong arana para sa dalaga.
The spring of a book which helps hold together.
Ang may roses ang nalimuyak kung nanaisin ng tadhanang mapalin lang di.
There are many patterns in nature, but we commonly see these 8 patterns. Tessellation, spiral, foam, wave, menders, stripe patterns, feature or crack, and fractal. First up is tessellation. This pattern occurs when shapes fit together perfectly without any gaps. You can see this in tiles on floors, creating beautiful geometric designs. From the simple beauty of tessellation to the intricate design of fractals.
Nakailang tula na, ba't tila di napupunan ang tangi kong hiling? Hanggang dulo ikaw ang kapiling. Kung pwede lang hanggang magpakailanman, hindi na papakawalan kailanman. May ating tamis ng pagsasama na.
And there you have it! Just a glimpse into the stunning patterns found in nature. Bye!